Welcome back to our channel. Today we are covering AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner Certification. To find the complete list of questions and answers, please go to the playlist link provided in the description. Our team is working hard to keep the content up to date. If you find this video helpful, please let us know in the comment. We really appreciate if you like and subscribe to our channel. Today's question is, what is a benefit of using AWS serverless computing? Option A. Application deployment and management are not required. Option B. Application security will be fully managed by AWS. Option C. Monitoring and logging are not needed. And option D. Management of infrastructure is offloaded to AWS. The correct answer is option D. Next question is, a company sells a device that uses automatic language recognition to respond to spoken questions. The company wants to use deep learning and natural language understanding to power this device. Which AWS service made this requirement? Option A. Amazon Transcribe. Option B. Amazon Comprehend. Option C. Amazon Lex. And option D. Amazon Polly. The correct answer is option D. Next question is, which cloud characteristics enable a company to provision or release computing capacity as required? Select two options. Option A. Scalability. Option B. Economies of scale. Option C. Elasticity. Option D. Agility. And option E. Reliability. The correct answer is option A and C. Next question is, a large company is using the AWS cloud for its business units. Each business until uses one VPC for each business application. The company is acquiring other companies that have their own VPCs that run new applications. The company needs to manage connectivity between its existing VPCs and the newly acquired VPCs. Which AWS service can the company use to meet this requirement? Option A. AWS App Mesh. Option B. AWS Cloud Map. Option C. AWS Transit Gateway. And option D. AWS Site-to-Site VPN. The correct answer is option C. Next question is, which tool or feature provides a report to forecast AWS billing costs for the next 3 months? Option A. Consolidated billing. Option B. AWS budgets. Option C. AWS cost and usage report. And option D. Cost explorer. The correct answer is option D. Next question is, which AWS support plan is recommended for business and mission critical workloads in AWS environments? Option A. AWS Business Support. Option B. AWS Enterprise Support. Option C. AWS Basic Support. And option D. AWS Developer Support. The correct answer is option A. Next question is, a media company uploads audio and video files to a centralized Amazon S3 bucket from locations that are geographically dispersed. Which AWS solution will optimize transfer speeds for these files? Option A. AWS Global Accelerator. Option B. S3 Transfer Accelerator. Option C. AWS Direct Connect, and option D, Amazon CloudFront. The correct answer is option D. Next question is, a company needs general architectural guidance about how to use AWS services for various use cases, workloads, and applications. What is the least expensive AWS support plan that provides this guidance? Option A, AWS Business Support. Option B, AWS Developer Support. Option C, AWS Enterprise Support. And option D, AWS Basic Support. The correct answer is option A. Next question is, a company needs to use SQL to query data from Amazon S3. Which AWS services or features can the company use to meet these requirements? Select two options. Option A, AWS Data Exchange. Option B, Amazon Athena. Option C, S3 Select. Option D, S3 Transfer Acceleration. And option E, AWS Data Pipeline. The correct answer is option B and D. Moving to next question. A company wants to improve the overall availability and performance of its applications that are hosted on AWS. Which AWS service should the company use? Option A, Amazon Connect. Option B, Amazon Lightsail. Option C, AWS Global Accelerator. And option D, AWS Storage Gateway. The correct answer is option C. Moving to next. Which tool can be used to identify schedule changes to the AWS infrastructure? Option A, AWS Personal Health Dashboard. Option B, AWS Trusted Advisor. Option C, Billing Dashboard. And option D, AWS Config. The correct answer is option A. Moving to next question. A company hosts a web application on Amazon EC2 instances. The application requires credentials so that it can access other AWS services. Which feature should the company use to provide these access? Option A, IAM users. Option B, IAM groups. Option C, IAM roles. And option D, multi-factor authentication. The correct answer is option D. Moving to next. A company needs to store database backups. The company must be able to retrieve the data in minutes. Backups restorations will take place once a year. Which AWS solution should the company use to meet these requirements at the lowest cost? Option A, Amazon Elastic Block Store. Option B, Amazon S3 Glacier. Option C, Amazon Elastic File System. And option D, Amazon S3 Standard. The correct answer is option B. Thank you.